Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the full details of the 2026 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, one of the most anticipated full-size off-road trucks of the year. If you're a fan of rugged performance, aggressive styling, and Toyota's legendary reliability, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Now, let's start with the exterior, because right out of the gate, the 2026 Tundra TRD Pro makes a serious impression. The front end is bold and aggressive, with an updated grille that proudly displays the heritage Toyota lettering. The LED light bar integrated into the grille is now sleeker and brighter, improving nighttime visibility on trails. There are also new blacked-out trim pieces, widened fender flares, and redesigned 18-inch BBS forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. The new solar octane color makes a return, but this year they've added an exclusive stealth forest green that looks incredible in person. Under the hood, the 2026 TRD Pro keeps the hybrid powertrain that was introduced a couple of years ago, the iForce Max. This twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 paired with an electric motor produces a whopping 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough grunt to handle serious off-road situations, highway merging, or towing your weekend toys. And speaking of towing, the TRD Pro can pull up to 11,200 pounds, which is near the top of its class. But power is just part of the equation. The TRD Pro is built to conquer rough terrain, and it's been outfitted with upgraded Fox internal bypass shocks, a TRD front skid plate, and a high-clearance exhaust system that sounds just as mean as it looks. The multi-terrain select and crawl control systems allow you to dial in the perfect settings whether you're climbing rocks, hitting sand dunes, or dealing with snow and mud. The suspension has been retuned slightly for 2026 to offer more comfort on-road, without compromising off-road capabilities. Now let's hop inside, because Toyota has stepped up the game when it comes to interior refinement. The TRD Pro's cabin is tough but tech-savvy. You get black Softex-trimmed seats with red contrast stitching and TRD embossing, a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum sport pedals. The massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the new Toyota Audio multimedia system is much more responsive and user-friendly than before. There's also a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays everything from your navigation to off-road pitch and roll data. Toyota also made improvements to cabin insulation for 2026, making highway cruising much quieter, a nice touch for long road trips. And if you're bringing family or gear, you'll love the spacious rear seats and fold-flat cargo floor. There are USB-C ports, a wireless charger, and an available 400-watt inverter in the bed for powering tools or camping equipment. On the safety side, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, bringing features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring. It's reassuring to know that even in a truck built for adventure, Toyota hasn't cut corners on keeping you safe. In terms of fuel economy, the hybrid system helps boost the Tundra TRD Pro to around 20 mpg combined, pretty solid for a full-size, off-road focused truck with this kind of power. And if you're wondering about pricing, expect to pay somewhere around $75,000 to $80,000 depending on options, which keeps it competitive with the Ford Raptor and Ram TRX, though both of those lean more toward pure power, while the Tundra TRD Pro is all about balance and long-term durability. So, is the 2026 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro worth it if you want a truck that's ready for serious off-roading straight from the factory, but also comfortable and packed with modern tech? This one definitely deserves a spot on your short list. Toyota has managed to blend reliability, performance, and cutting-edge design in a way that few others in the segment have matched. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the 2026 Tundra TRD Pro. Would you choose it over a Raptor or TRX? Catch you in the next one.